Everybody get up.
Hello everybody, and welcome to gcniagara.com. I'd like to start off by taking this time to thank everybody for coming to, visit our website, and not only our website, but our whole community. And when I mean by community, I just mean like our whole social media platform. It's been an exciting year for us. We've done a lot of growing. Our gross revenues are through the roof. The diversity of our company is just incredible. On top of that, the whole launch of our the whole blogging system, and keeping different contractors up to date with the current trends, our blog, the new series that's set to launch next month with the DIY, do-it-yourself home improvement stuff that you don't need a contractor for. However, you do have a qualified, skilled contractor to kind of walk you through the step-by-step stuff. I think it's you guys are going to find it quite exciting. Some of you may already know, GCN has amalgamated and joined forces with our sister company, Quality Construction and Project Management Inc., or QCPM. What this means is basically you have a larger, more knowledgeable staff, a whole plethora of new available technologies and equipment, all for the same affordable rates, the same prices. QCPM will offer the exact same services as they did before, the same price schedule for our same customers and new customers, many more new services to come. We still do have that same impact friendly staff that you've learned to trust. It's just the difference now is there's just simply more of us. So basically what this means from the amalgamation is there's just a lot more of us. Nothing's changed. We have a lot stronger of a team now than we did before. A lot more skilled employees. We've restructured our whole customer service department. Basically from there's complex issues from bringing two companies together, managing those companies properly. That was one of the issues and concerns that I had, is I wanted to make sure that, bringing new manpower together, new company together, all kinds of new management and different sales techniques. I wanted to really make sure that you had that genuine GCN, the old feeling. I wanted to bring that into the new company and make sure that it was seamless. So one of the things that we did was to restructure and automate the inbound call process. So now there's a whole marketing and advertising department, there's a sales department, there's a customer service department, warranty department, and there's also the whole new social media integration with the blogs and the set to launch YouTube channels, where we have the DIY, do-it-yourself home renovation sort of stuff where you don't need a contractor, and if you do, we're always there to help you 24/7. As well as, I want some sort of interaction from the pros with the homeowners, where they can do Q&A with questions and answer time. So there's this whole diversification of departments. With that being said, it is new, so there is going to be a learning curve. But if you could just, bear with us and understand that, we are learning. So yeah, with that being said, I'd like to move forward and tell you a little bit about some of the services that we offer now. QCPM now has trenching and digging equipment. So traditionally before, we would outsource a lot of our projects. We would take the whole project, but we would use subs to bring in digging equipment like excavators and stuff like that. And now QCPM offers those services in-house. So it makes it a lot cheaper for you guys. So we do a lot of trenching, weeping tile. We provide drainage. We dig out around foundations. Totally waterproof the foundations, outside or inside, and provide adequate training around the house. That's a new service that we offer. Traditionally, before, we didn't have in-house electricians or plumbers. Now we have a whole plethora of in-house electricians, gas fitters for doing furnaces, hot water tanks, and as well as we have our own plumbers on board. So that brings you guys a lot faster service. Gives us a way to do a lot of QC, quality control, and make sure that you guys are being delivered the highest possible craftsmanship at the most reasonable rate. And I think that makes us one of the most competitive companies in the Niagara region. So we are now able to do what we call A to Z project management. So you can basically call us and we can do everything from start to finish. We have architects that will work with us, work with you to come up with a concept. Once we've developed this sort of concept that you're looking for, and that's the direction that you want to go, then we can, sit down with an architect and start coming up with some sort of preliminary drawings based off the information that you've given us. We use the latest technologies, the latest computer-aided designs. It doesn't help to start with a good old-fashioned pen and paper. By no means is that the wrong thing to do. So we sort of worked with you to come up with this design, first maybe on paper, or maybe you already have a design, and we take it to our architects and we get more of a concrete design. So then we take this to our design team, and we have it engineered. Once the engineers come up with a drawing, then we can execute. So GCN offers what they call concept, design, construct, or concept, design, execute. There's many different variables for those that sequence of events, but this is what we do now. Basically, it's sort of an A to Z. Now, that doesn't mean necessarily that you can't come to us if you already have drawings and we can do your building, but just one more service that we're working towards offering our customers is unique sets of skills, but in-house to bring the cost down. So we don't need to outsource to a subcontractor, because outsourcing to a subcontractor is what drives the price up, because they have to make money. So when you eliminate the subcontracting businesses, if you will, it allows us to bring our prices down quite substantially. Some of the other things that we are now starting to offer is more towards the public sector. So if you're working in a corporation, or you're working in a government, or you're working in a public sector, we can now work on that level, doing schools, doing commercial projects, industrial projects. We now have our own welding and fabrication division, where we do plant maintenance, and we can do welding. Just a quick example of some of the welding services that we offer are mild steel, stainless, aluminum, MIG, TIG, stick, SMAW, shielded metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, TIG, tungsten inert gas, and just about all the major alloys. We have the capability 24/7. We have a dispatch hotline, so basically where we do industrial maintenance, emergency 24-hour services and repairs. Basically, you call the dispatch number, they call somebody at the office dispatches somebody within roughly an hour. A welding truck will show up, a fabricator or a millwright, and the welder fabricator fabricator. Both red seals, capable, worked in many different plants over the years. We service the agricultural, we do a lot of viticulture and oenology equipment, so basically grapes, wine. We service stainless steel tanks, cold processing lines with servos, electric motors, hoppers, cooling spirals, freezing spirals. We service all sorts of different equipment like that. So just to let you know that we are growing. Things are growing quite fast, and we're constantly looking to expand and bring in new services and technologies. And yeah, you can look forward to many years of us bringing that same consistent quality product at a cheap price, and being able to compete with our competitors. Anyways, I don't want to talk your ear off, folks. Thank you for visiting our website, and again, look forward to launching the new YouTube channels, our blog, and the whole DIY brought to you by QCPM, and our new affiliate marketing program. We have a whole list of new things to bring to you guys. So look forward, keep stopping back, and thank you again for visiting. Thanks again from QCPM. I'm John Moore, and have a great day.